All right, we have Hoover here, and Hoover is a 3-year-old Springer who is a wonderful guy, wonderful house dog, and a nice hunting dog, and he's going to be looking for a home. Bird sailed down up the hill by the tree, and he made short work of that retrieve.
Good boy. Here. Come on. Good job. Good.
He's got a good nose. He's a good bird finder. He's got power, but he runs in control. Probably his biggest hole is what we just saw in that delivery. He doesn't have a perfect delivery, but he gets the birds right back in to the handler very nicely. You can see lights up on game.
No. Here.
Steady to wing and shot.
Here. Good boy. Good.
For somebody who didn't want steadiness, he would unsteady and go to chase control really easily also. I don't know, throw your dead one for him, we'll send him back for it.
No. Here.
He's a nice looking dog. As I said at the beginning of the video, a lot of house time. He's used to being in the house. He's a very clean dog.
Back.
We'll zoom out. This bird that got thrown in is walking a little bit here. Chukar walked a bit and then buried itself in under the grass. But he figured it out. Well, that was bad filming there, but
Good.
there.
Good. There you go. Come on. Nice job.
Good boy. Good boy. Good job, Hoop.